Every few months, it feels like the entire world just holds its breath. From Wall Street to Main Street, everyone stops for one single moment. And it's not for some big political announcement. Nope, it's for a company's report card. And it all comes down to one company. How in the world did we get to this point?
I mean, just look at this chaos. NVDA, NASDAQ, S&P 500, AI, after hours. It's like a global digital scream of anticipation. These aren't just search terms. Millions of people are all focused on the exact same thing at the exact same time. This isn't just background noise, you guys. This is the pulse of the market right now. And that pulse, that digital frenzy, that's exactly where this whole story kicks off. Because hiding behind all that complicated Wall Street jargon is a really, really simple human question. A question that somehow has taken on massive global importance. Right there. That's it. Forget all the complex financial models for a second. It all comes down to this one question. It's so direct, it's urgent, and it's being typed into search bars by millions of people. It's the perfect snapshot of this global obsession.
And this is what's so wild to me. This isn't just a niche thing for people in finance anymore. Not at all. It's totally broken into the mainstream. You've got tech nerds, small business owners, even artists who are using AI tools. They're all watching. Why? Because they know these results are going to affect them in ways that go way beyond just a stock price. So, who is this company at the absolute center of the storm? To really get why everyone's freaking out, we have to understand the power broker pulling the strings. So let's unpack NVIDIA. Okay, in the simplest terms I can put it, NVIDIA makes the brains for the entire AI operation. They design these incredibly powerful chips, GPUs, that are absolutely essential for training and running all the complex AI you hear about, from ChatGPT to breakthroughs in medical science. And think about it like this, right? It's one thing to make a tire for a car. It's a completely different thing to build the engine that makes the whole car go. NVIDIA isn't just a supplier to this AI revolution. They are, for all practical purposes, its main engine. So all of this energy builds and builds to this one moment, the earnings report. The best way to think of it is like the company's quarterly report card. It's where they stand up in front of the whole world and tell everyone, in brutally honest detail, exactly how they're doing. Now, you don't need a finance degree to get what matters here. It really just boils down to three things. First, revenue growth. Are they selling more and more of these critical chips? Simple. Second, profit margins. How much cash are they actually making on each chip they sell? And third, and this is the big one, future guidance. What do they think is going to happen next quarter? It's basically their weather forecast for the future. And those three little numbers all feed into two giant competing questions that define what's at stake. You've got the optimists, the bulls, and they're asking, is this AI gold rush getting even bigger, even faster? And then you have the pessimists, the bears, and they're wondering, there is no way this explosive growth can last, right? This report is seen as the answer to both. Because whatever that answer is, it doesn't just affect NVIDIA, oh no. The results create a shockwave that literally travels through the entire global economy. It's a true ripple effect event. So who feels those ripples? Well, pretty much everybody. The tech-heavy NASDAQ, the broader S&P 500, other companies trying to make it in AI, chip makers all around the world. Seriously, the feeling, the vibe from this one report can set the tone for the entire market for days or even weeks. And just to put this into perspective, I mean, look at this difference. A typical big company, yeah, they have some influence on the market, but NVIDIA? It is on a completely different planet. They carry so much weight that their results can literally pull the whole S&P 500 up or down with them. So let's be super clear here. This is about way more than one stock's price going up or down. This is a signal, a powerful shockwave that blasts across continents and through industries, basically telling everyone whether it's time to be excited or very, very nervous about the future of tech. And that, right there, brings us to the real heart of all this. It's why this one report card has become so much more than just a boring financial document. It's become a signal. Because if NVIDIA is building the engine, right, then their sales numbers are the most direct real-time health check we have for the entire AI boom. Their report isn't just looking at the past. It's a peek into the future. It's the clearest glimpse we get of how fast that future is actually arriving.
So all of it, the frenzy, the constant searching, the global anxiety, it all leads back to this question. When the performance of just one company becomes the stand-in for progress on our next great technological leap, what does that say about the kind of super concentrated, high-stakes future we're all building together?